Good morning, viewers, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kamal Saigal, and I'm a professional astrologer with 20 years of experience in the field. I'm a gemologist and mineralogist also. I graduated from Junction University of Astro Science, and I'm also just in a lockdown as everybody else. So in this lockdown, I've been calculating the world chart. I have seen many astrologers, many professional people giving advices on YouTube, make on the channels, and yes, they have been placing many facts, but somewhere down the other line, I do have some contradictions, but I will not get into that. I have my own calculation, and which is on the basis of science. So, and not many people are also doing the world chart basically because they know it's not that easy as it seems. Doing an individual chart is very easy. Doing the world chart is extremely difficult. For that, you need to be extremely qualified and you need to have complete knowledge of astronomy. So anyhow, I have given it a shot and I'm going to present it to you in a very short, brief and very short scientific way. I'm going to put it up to you guys, and it's up to you what you believe. And maybe for some it will go pop up bouncer, so it's okay with me, but I will still give it. And as for now, as we say, Sun, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Mars is on the retrograde. When these planets are on the retrograde, the side effects and the malefic effects of the planets are extremely harsh as per the other astrologers. I don't agree to that because the radiation of these planets are different scientifically, and radiations of the same planets are different when it's retrograded. When the planets is moving forward, that means if the Saturn is moving forward, the radiation that it radiates is 840 microns an hour, and Mercury, it radiates 420 microns an hour. Mars radiates 320 microns an hour. Jupiter radiates 330 microns an hour. This is basically a normal radiations that the planet gives out, or it spreads out to the universe when it's not retrograded. And when it's retrograded, the entire radiation changes. It does not increases as per many astrologers claim. It decreases. The Saturn radiation decreases to 150 microns an hour. Venus radiation decreases to 90 microns an hour. Mars radiation decreases to 340 microns an hour, and Mercury 120 microns an hour. So in this, the planet does not get any heavy stress on us. In the sense, it does not give us any much stress. It does not give us much, as much as the rays it must be giving, as much as the radiation it must be giving us. Basically, that is the reason why people say things are not going correct, things are not going right. It's because you're not getting the correct radiations from the universe. The planets that is connected to your body aura, and your body aura, which is made of neutron, protons, subprotons, it has an atomic structure. So anyhow, coming back to the subject, when the planets give you less of radiation, your body is already on the low tide. Normally the body is supposed to be in the high tide. Your body is already on the low tide for the reason your body is radiating 80 microns an hour. Radiation. It needs higher radiation to keep your aura connected with the chemical imbalances and the color therapy. Correct. So here when it's retrograded, it's not giving you more effect, but according to the other astrologers, it's giving you much more effects. Correct. This is science, basic science behind the astrology, planets and positioning. Number one. Number two, as they claim that the science, that as they being part of the science, they claim the Saturn is in charge of this coronavirus, or Mercury is in charge of coronavirus. No, that's not true. These planets have nothing at all to do with your coronavirus, nor when it started or nor when it ended. As per the scientific explanation, as per the science, only one conclusion according to the calculation, that this virus is not originated by these planets or created by these planets. That's another subject altogether. Correct? So coming back to this subject, all it can do is create chemical imbalances in the back of your head, where you can have your mood swings, when your chemicals are not in line, aligned with your system, you can have different kind of reactions, and that is all it happens. And that's on the day-to-day basis, your decisions, it affects your decisions. That's all. It has nothing to do with this. So the one thing people should remove from their mind, that coronavirus is connected with retrograding of the planet. No, it's not. According to science, according to calculation, this particular virus or any form of virus cannot be generated by any of the planets, or cannot be sent to you by the planets, or it cannot be created here. It cannot be. These viruses are extraterrestrial, as per the calculation, as per the research, which I will speak to you about it in the next my next video. If you have any queries apart from this, you can always contact me on +7960 521 8317 796 771 50362. I have WhatsApp on both the numbers. I also do the personal charts for people, and some I don't charge, so I can help you with that if you ever need my help, but it's very exclusively. In the meanwhile, you have fun. If you like my video, give it a like and press the button.